Welcome to this video on the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. The Ministry of Labour and Employment is responsible for ensuring the welfare, safety, and rights of workers in India. This includes both organised and unorganised sectors, such as factories, construction sites, and agricultural fields. The ministry works to promote employment and job opportunities, regulate wages and working conditions, and provide social security and benefits to workers. It also facilitates the training and skill development of workers to enhance their employability and improve their earning potential. The Ministry of Labour and Employment also has a role in enforcing labour laws and regulations and ensuring that employers comply with them. This includes the Employees Provident Fund, which provides retirement benefits, and the Employees State Insurance Corporation, which provides medical and disability benefits. The ministry also runs various skill development and entrepreneurship programs, such as the National Skill Development Corporation and the Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Protsaham Yojana. The Ministry of Labour and Employment is committed to promoting social justice and providing a fair and equitable environment for all workers in India. India is a country with a vast and diverse workforce, comprising both organised and unorganised sectors. The ministry aims to promote decent working conditions, employment opportunities, and social security for workers across the country. It ensures that labour laws and regulations are enforced and that employers comply with them. The ministry recognizes the importance of skill development and training for enhancing the employability of workers. These include the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Stand Up India, and Skill India. The ministry also ensures that workers in various sectors receive their due wages and benefits, such as maternity benefits, pension schemes, and medical facilities. It operates several social security schemes such as the Employees Provident Fund, which provides retirement benefits, and the Employees State Insurance Corporation, which provides medical and disability benefits. The ministry is committed to providing a safe and healthy working environment for workers across the country. It regulates occupational safety and health standards and ensures compliance with the same. The ministry also facilitates the training and skill development of workers in various sectors, such as construction, agriculture, and manufacturing. It aims to equip workers with the necessary skills and knowledge to perform their jobs effectively. The ministry works in close collaboration with other government departments and stakeholders to promote social justice and protect the interests of workers in India. The Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, has been instrumental in improving the working conditions and employment opportunities for millions of workers across the country. One of the key areas of focus for the ministry is the unorganised sector, which constitutes a significant portion of the workforce in India. The ministry has also taken initiatives to provide better working conditions and safety measures for workers in the agricultural sector. It aims to reduce the incidence of accidents and injuries caused by farming activities and improve the overall well-being of farmers and farm workers. In the organised sector, the ministry has been working to promote employment opportunities and improve the working conditions for workers in various industries such as textiles, manufacturing, and construction. It has implemented various programs to enhance the skills and knowledge of workers and ensure that they receive their due wages and benefits. The ministry also works closely with employers and industry associations to promote social dialogue and ensure that the interests of both workers and employers are protected. It aims to create a favorable environment for business growth and job creation while ensuring that workers' rights are respected. It operates the Employees State Insurance Corporation, which provides medical and disability benefits to workers and their families. It has implemented various initiatives such as the National Skill Development Corporation and the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana to provide training and certification to workers in various sectors. The ministry enforces various labour laws such as the Minimum Wages Act, the Payment of Wages Act, and the Contract Labour, Regulation and Abolition Act, among others. It also ensures compliance with the Industrial Disputes Act, which regulates the resolution of industrial disputes. In case of any violation of labour laws or disputes between employers and workers, the ministry provides a platform for dispute resolution through various bodies such as labour courts, industrial tribunals, and conciliation officers. The ministry also provides legal aid to workers who cannot afford legal representation. It has established various bodies such as the Central Board of Workers' Education and the National Child Labour Project to educate workers about their rights and promote awareness about labour laws. The ministry has also taken several initiatives to promote employment opportunities for women and vulnerable sections of society such as scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. It has implemented various schemes such as the National Career Service, which provides employment assistance to job seekers. In addition to its efforts in the field of labour and employment, the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, is also responsible for social security and welfare programs for workers and their families. The ministry operates various schemes such as the Employee Provident Fund, the Employee State Insurance Scheme, and the Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan Yojana, among others, to provide social security and financial assistance to workers and their families. The ministry also works closely with state governments to implement various social security and welfare schemes such as the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act and the National Social Assistance Program, which provide employment opportunities and financial assistance to the rural population and vulnerable sections of society. The ministry's healthcare initiatives such as the Ayushman Bharat scheme aim to provide accessible and affordable healthcare services to all citizens, including workers and their families. The ministry also runs various programs for the welfare of elderly workers such as the National Old Age Pension Scheme and the Annapurna scheme, which provide financial assistance and food security to elderly workers who are unable to support themselves. Did you know that the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, is responsible for implementing various laws and regulations related to labour and employment in the country, and for providing social security and welfare programs for workers and their families? The Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, enforces various labour laws such as the Minimum Wages Act, the Payment of Wages Act, and the Contract Labour, Regulation and Abolition Act, among others, to protect workers' rights and ensure fair wages.